In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use the Read-To-Me and Dictionary Lookup features on Epic. Read-To-Me books are books that are read aloud to students.
Scaredy Monster loses a tooth. Meet Scaredy Monster. He has big teeth. He has sharp claws. He has an enormous roar.
Students can stop the Read-To-Me feature at any time by pressing the green pause button at the lower left-hand corner of the screen. Dictionary Lookup allows students to click on any word to hear the word read aloud and to see the definition.
Secret.
Here.
Thanks for watching. For more resources, head to getepic.com/educators.